A cluttered pantry or freezer can be a headache. But with the SKTEET large clear organizing bins, 8pk, you can transform your space into a masterpiece of organization. These bins are not merely containers. They are the architects of order, helping you build a system that works for you. They are like a conductor orchestrating a symphony of spices and snacks, ensuring every item has its rightful place. They are crafted from clear plastic, which means you'll never have to embark on a frustrating scavenger hunt for that one elusive ingredient again. And their generous size can accommodate everything from canned goods to baking supplies. With their versatile design, they are a fantastic solution for home editing, freezer storage, and a variety of other uses. The SKTEET large clear organizing bins, 8pk, are an organizer's dream, offering both form and function. They seamlessly blend into any kitchen aesthetic, yet they stand out for their ability to bring a sense of calm to a chaotic space. Their transparent walls are like windows into your inventory, allowing you to see exactly what you have at a glance, so you never buy duplicates accidentally. These bins are not just for your pantry. However, they can be used to conquer clutter in your bathroom, your craft room, or even your garage. Because they are so durable and easy to clean, they will be your trusty partners in organization for years to come, making them a wise investment for any household. Ultimately, the SKTEET large clear organizing bins, 8pk, are the key to unlocking a more efficient and stress-free home. They represent a fresh start and a commitment to keeping your belongings in order. They are the guardians of your groceries, the keepers of your condiments, and a clear path to a more organized life. These bins can bring harmony to even the most cluttered spaces, as they offer a simple yet effective way to manage your possessions. Therefore, if you're ready to say goodbye to disarray and hello to a beautifully organized home, these versatile bins are a great place to start. Pros: makes pantry organized, very sturdy plastic, confidence moving them when full, clear design to see what's inside, helps kids be independent, easy to update grocery list, saves time and stress. Practical and durable, great value for the money, sizes are versatile, great for RV organization, works well in refrigerators, aesthetically appealing, great for kids' playroom. Cons: may not fit all cabinet sizes, plastic may not be eco-friendly, could get scratched easily. Features: set of 8 clear plastic bins, BPA-free and food-safe, clear design for visibility, built-in handles for easy grip, stackable for space-saving, easy to clean with soap and water, durable, shatter-resistant plastic, versatile for pantry, fridge, cabinet, large size for various items, maximizes storage space. The SKTEET set includes 8 large, clear plastic storage bins that are great for organizing different areas of your home. They are made from durable, BPA-free, and shatter-resistant plastic, making them safe for food storage in places like the pantry or freezer. The clear design lets you see what's inside, and built-in handles make them easy to grab. You can stack them to save space, and they're simple to clean with soap and water, helping you keep your cabinets and home tidy. The SKTEET set of 8 clear plastic storage bins is a practical and durable solution for organizing your home. Made from sturdy plastic, these versatile bins are perfect for pantry organization, refrigerators, cabinets, and even RVs. Their clear design allows you to easily see what's inside, saving you time and stress when making a grocery list or finding items. The bins are also great for helping kids become more independent and for keeping playrooms tidy. While they offer great value, it's worth noting they may not fit all cabinet sizes, and the plastic may not be the most eco-friendly option and could get scratched over time. Overall, they provide an aesthetically pleasing and efficient way to organize your space.